Hey boys and girls, this is the Sennheiser HD 440 Bluetooth wireless headset, and this is how it sounds like.
Power on. Connected.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package which contains the Sennheiser HD 440 Bluetooth wireless headset. I've been using this headset for more than a year, and the reason why I made this video is because I want to share with you what I think you should know about this headset. So let's begin by checking what's inside the package. So let me tell you about this headset. Sennheiser promises well-balanced sound with amazingly detailed acoustic response and dynamic bass, and I couldn't describe it better than how they did, because the audio quality this headset generates is the main reason why I've been using this headset for more than a year. Let's go over the technical specs of this headset. The frequency response is between 18 to 22,000 Hz. The microphone's frequency response is between 100 and 10,000 Hz. Its impedance is 18 ohms. It can reach a sound pressure level of 113 decibels. And as for the other specifications of this headset, please check my full review on my website originalvideoreviews.com. The headset supports aptX CSR audio codec, which generates true hi-fi sound. This is a wireless headset that will be paired with your devices using Bluetooth connection. The Bluetooth version used in this headset is 4.0. It's very easy to pair the device using a Bluetooth connection, and I didn't encounter any disturbances in the audio quality. In addition to the Bluetooth connection, if the device you're using supports NFC, then all you need to do is make sure the NFC is turned on your device, place the device next to the left earphone, and the headset will pair with the device using a Bluetooth connection. This is an over-the-ear headset that is made from quality materials. It is padded along the arc, that is extendable and foldable. The headphones are well cushioned, so there's no pressure on your head, and the over-the-ear design contributes to the audio experience and comfortability. Regardless the size of your head, I believe you'll enjoy using them for a long period of time. After more than a year of an extensive use with this headset, indoor and outdoor, it still looks great, though it took some bumps and scratches down the road, and the only negative thing I can say regarding the durability is that I can't minimize the headband perfectly, so it's a bit loose. The headset doesn't weigh too much and it's foldable, so it's very easy to travel with. Plus you get a nice pouch to store the headset that is okay for traveling or if you want to clean the headset, especially in the headphones area. But if you ask me, Sennheiser could have been more generous and offer this headset with a hard case. The headset is operated using a lithium-ion polymer battery. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the battery, and according to Sennheiser, it's supposed to last up to 25 hours. Now, the best part about this headset is that because I don't raise the volume level to the maximum, the battery life is by far more than 25 hours. I won't exaggerate if I would say double than that. On the right earphone you can find the control buttons of the headset. This is the power button, and next to it is the light indicator. In the middle is the multi-function button, and beneath it is the volume button. Over here you can see the 3.5mm socket to use the headset using a wired connection. When inserting the cable, make sure to plug this side and turn it a bit until you hear a click sound to make sure the cable is attached properly. This is the micro USB socket to charge the headset, and that's the built-in microphone. The control buttons functions differently when listening to audio and when making phone calls. Sennheiser offers a designated app named CapTune to use with their headsets, including this one. The app can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store. Basically, this app is a music player and a sound optimization tool, and I almost never get to use it because mostly I listen to YouTube and Audible using their apps, so it's quite useless. Now let's go to the bottom line. If you ask me, the Sennheiser HD440 Bluetooth wireless headset is a great purchase. It generates an excellent audio quality, it's very comfortable to wear, it's relatively durable, and it has an amazing battery life. Like I usually say in my video reviews about headsets, most people on planet Earth will be more than happy with headsets that cost $30 to $40 and generates a reasonable audio quality. But if you are looking for an entry ticket to the well-known brand name headsets club, then this headset is an excellent purchase. If you are willing to spend that much money on this specific headset, then the only thing I think you should know that is missing here is the active noise cancellation feature that can be found in other models by Sennheiser. But trust me, most people won't even be bothered about it. Other than that, this is an excellent purchase, and if you can find it for a good deal, then don't hesitate to get it. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the Sennheiser HD440 BT wireless headset. For more details about it, please check the description to the video. And if you still have any questions, please leave a comment on this video and I'll do my best to come up with an answer. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my other YouTube channels, follow my other social pages, and visit my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!